Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. So in today's video I'm going to share with you guys how to achieve a sleek middle part with your lace frontals, your lace closures, all that on your hair. So if you guys are interested in seeing more about this Arabella 360 wig, make sure you guys stay tuned and let's begin. Okay, so let's begin. So let's start off with packaging, customer service, all that. This hair is from Arabella hair. It's their Brazilian straight hair in 22 inches. Guys, you guys know I'm a 26, I'm like a 24, 26 type of person, but we're gonna have to do with 22 today. I'm gonna show you guys how you guys can make this hair looks good. So everything about Arabella hair is gonna be linked down in the description box. So they packaged the hair in this cute little pink box here. I love when companies send the hair in these boxes because you can actually store your wigs back into these boxes, these bundles back into these boxes, and keep everything organized. Also, they give you so much stuff in the box. When you get the box, you're going to be getting this hair clip, which is very useful, especially when you're styling your hair. They give you this comb here. This is also useful because you use these combs for so many things. And then they give you this cute little hairband. So I feel like a lot of people would use this, especially on days where some people don't really want to do the front of their frontals or closures. I see a lot of people put these type of things on their head. And then they give you a wig cap in this beige color. And also they give you this maintenance book. So it just says Arabella and basically tells you like FAQs or social media, how to properly care the hair, storing it, and all that stuff. And then they put the hair in the bag. So this is a 360 wig, the straight wig. So this is how the inside looks. In the inside you get 4 combs, and then you get a just adjustable strap. Okay, so this does come in the natural color. I'm gonna dye this hair to jet black because that's more my style. So I'm gonna put the wig on my head. I'm just going to show you guys how the hair looks once it's out of the box. So as you guys can see, you did have to pluck the hairline and customize it to make it a little bit more natural. So I did get my hairstylist to do this. I'm going to link her down below. Her name is All Eyes on India on Instagram, so you guys definitely go check her out. I always use her if you've been watching all my hair tutorials. Okay, and I did put some makeup on the lace. I feel like I could have got away without putting on makeup on the lace, but we'll see. I'm going to show you guys how I style my 360 wig. I'm gonna make sure this is straight in my head. Oh, actually, let's use their comb that they gave us. Okay, and then I'm just gonna make a middle part, okay? This comb's a little bit flimsier than usual. Now this hair does shed. I straightened it a little bit more and I blow dried it. So you guys just want to keep that in consideration. It's not a lot of shedding, but it does shed. And you can glue down the back of the hair and everything like that. And we're gonna re-straighten the hair and style it and stuff. So usually when it comes to like middle parts, people just like it like this, straight down, but I like it where you can actually see the hairline, or at least attempt to. So I like pushing up the hairline like that. That's gonna make the difference from traditional like middle parts that we see all the time and like the more modern way of middle parts, whether it's on a closure or a frontal, because we want to mimic like a real hair. So that's why you're just pushing it up. That's all you guys have to do is pushing it up, and then it falls down. And as you can see a big difference. And I like this way. Ever since I learned it, I was like, oh my god, I'm going to be forever doing this. The thing is, we're not really going to show the sides of the hair, so leave it like that. And then I'm going to just style the baby hairs like very minimal. Should I just do my baby hairs first? Okay, yeah, let's do the baby hairs. Okay, and I'm going to just show you guys how to get a super sleek middle part. And make sure as well, just to make your middle part look good, you're going to want to pluck your middle part, customize it as I said earlier, using my hot comb. Okay, while that's heating up, I'm just going to cut the baby hairs a little bit. And I'm just using this little shaver here from the beauty supply store, legit. We're going to mold this part so it stays up like that, even when our hair is the middle part. I'm just going to use it to lift up this part, just to get it out the way. Honestly, a hot comb is really good if you guys can invest in one. I got it for $20, so I'm going to link it down below if any of you guys want to buy any. So I'm going in with the foaming mousse by Alada Bati, and I'm going to just put a little bit on my... I always do this every time. I always say I'm going to put a little bit in my hairline, and there's just so much that comes out. So we're just going to just style the baby hairs. And then when you style the baby hairs, you just push it back up into the hair. Okay, I'm just going to use some styling spritz to hold this. I could have cut more baby hairs. I'm not going to really too focus on the sides of my hair, just mainly like the fronts that you're going to see, because I'm going to cover up the sides. Now I'm going to put some mousse at the top of this part here, and this is just we're gonna lock in the hairstyle here. So I'm just combing it up and out of the way, and then you can go in with some at the side too, like here. I feel like my middle part's crooked. And we're gonna do the same thing on this side as well. I feel like I may have put too much makeup on it. Okay, and I'm just gonna put some styling spritz to hold down. Okay, and then I'm going back in with my Lotta body, and I am styling the top of my hair. I feel like when you do this way, like put the mousse at the top, it like gives that like scalp like look and like hair growing out the scalp type of look. And then I always go back in with the comb, and then when you like comb it like that, it just dries with those like comb streaks in it. Then we're going to use an elastic band. I always use an elastic band. I just like this method. It's faster for me. And I'm just going to tie down all of this. Okay? Because we don't want anything lifting. Even though this is a glueless install, I still don't want my baby hairs to lift at all. The good thing about 360 wigs is that you can style in so many ways. Like if I really wanted to do a ponytail and stuff like that, or half up half down, I can do that. Okay, so before I finish up with the top of the hair, I'm going to go in with straightening the hair. I just don't want to put the hot comb on the hair with the hair still wet. Okay, so I'm just using a big huge like paddle brush. I always use these brushes that I get from the beauty supply store because they just work super well. And then I'm just going to comb up my hair, and then we're just going to go over this quickly because as I told you guys, I did already straighten this hair, but I'm just gonna do just big huge passes through the hair. This hair is really nice. Like if you want just a simple straight hair, the color's nice. I definitely would recommend. I haven't received any tangling at the back of the hair or anything like that. And the fact that this 360 wig, you can style it. This is good for like people who are very active and they do sports and stuff like that, especially if you're in school. You can put up your hair and everything like that. So as you can see, the hair straightens so well. It takes heat so well. But since this is virgin hair in the natural color, there is a lot of short hairs throughout the wefts, but I think that's just normal when you buy virgin hair. Yeah, so all the information about Arabella hair is going to be linked in the description box in case any of you guys want to check out this 360 wig and try it out. Yeah, as you can tell, the hair is like super silky and soft, as you guys can see. I wonder if you guys can see where it stops. Okay, so I'm going to go in with the hot comb, and I'm just going to go over. It's a little bit wet, but this is just going to lock in just the style in the top of the hair. And plus with the hot comb, it's going to flatten down everything. So if you guys want your middle part super sleek and flat, get a hot comb. Invest in a hot comb. It's going to change everything. As you guys can see, like the top of my hair is like super flat now. And the things that are making the hair look sleek on top of, like besides the flat comb making it look super flat, is the products. So the mousse, the styling spritz, the hairspray that you're going to be using to lock in the hairstyle. Okay, so I'm just going to go back in with the mousse at the top of the hair, and then go back in with the comb. Let me take off this. And I feel like with the elastic band, like your hair doesn't get stuck with it. I've used some things where I take it off and then my baby hairs get stuck to it. Now again, as I said, the tangling is like to a minimal. It does tangle, but it's like to a minimal, nothing too bad. And let me bring this up once more. Bring it up and then let it fall. Okay, so that's it for today's video. Comment down below. Do you guys like it? Like this video if you found this helpful or you like how this came out. The only thing I could probably say is that I do need to work on my lace color. Okay, I feel like I can do a little bit more adjustments. This hair is so sleek. Like the quality is really nice. It looks so silky. I'm just gonna show you guys at the side how silky. I like it. And then I'm just gonna lock in everything with this hairspray and to make my hair smell good as well. But as you can see, it's really simple and easy. Just a little bit of technique and time that's going to take to do the sleek middle part closure, guys. guys. So I definitely would recommend Arabella hair, especially for their straight wigs, their 360 wigs. The construction is good. It fits well on my head. It's not tight or anything like that. Everything in this video, people I mentioned in this video, everything like that is going to be linked in the description box just for you guys, okay? So yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Au revoir.